Hello children, welcome to our new grammar topic. What are we going to learn? Let's see. Read these lines. The function was enthusiastically arranged by the school. The students sang melodiously. They also danced gracefully. The parents smiled happily and cheered for them. Parents could be seen everywhere. You know the words in bold in the passage just that we read now. Tell us more about how the action is done. And what are these words known as? Yes, these are known as adverbs. Let us learn more about adverbs. What are adverbs? Kinds of adverbs and how are adverbs formed? See, all the words that tell us more about the verbs, adjectives or adverbs are called adverbs. Now let us take an example. I'll tell you how an verb tells us more about verb or adjective and adverb. The old lady walked slowly. Here verb is walked. How she walked? She walked slowly. So here slowly is modifying the verb walked or telling us more about the verb walked. Look at the second example. This dress is really beautiful. Now here beautiful is telling you about dress. How is the dress? Beautiful. So here beautiful is an adjective. So really modified, it's really beautiful. Modifies the adjective and really is an adverb. So it tells us more about adjective beautiful. The child spoke softly, very softly. Now, how did the child speak? Softly. But we are asking how softly or how much softly. It was a very softly. So here one adverb is modifying the other adverb. That is, very is an adverb modifying the other adverb softly. Here are the kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency and adverb of degree. These 5 kinds of adverbs we are going to learn. First, let us proceed with adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us how the action is done, or these are the words which tell how or the manner in which something happens or something is done. Look at an example. Tia ran fast. What is the verb here? Ran. If you ask the question how she ran, the answer you get is fast. So here fast becomes your adverb of manner, which answers the question how. Tina dances gracefully. Now Tina dances. How she dances? Gracefully. So here gracefully is adverb of manner. They sang melodiously. The verb is sang. Ask the question how. You get the answer melodiously. So melodiously becomes your adverb of manner. Again, she walks slowly. Ask the question how to the verb. The answer that you get is slowly. That becomes your adverb of manner. So have you noticed when you have to identify whether it's an adverb of manner, first thing what you have to do is identify the verb and then ask the question how to the verb. Like Tia ran fast. What is the verb here? Ran. So how will you ask? How Tia ran or how did she run? So here the answer that you get becomes your adverb of manner. Very easy to understand and identify adverb of manner. Just identify the verb and ask the question how to the verb. Now let us see how these adverbs are formed. These adverbs of manner especially are generally formed from adjectives by adding ly. Look at the example here. Bad, when after adding ly to bad, clear, gentle, noisy and heavy, when we add ly to these words, to these adjectives, they have turned to adverbs, that is badly, clearly, gently, noisily and heavily. So remember one thing, most of the adverb of manners are ending with ly. Very few, like for example, he ran fast. Here there is no ly, though it is an adverb of manner, so it can be an exception, but others adverb of manner end with ly. The next type of adverb is adverb of place. These are the words which tell us where something happens or where something is done, and it also answers the question where. Now, whom are you going to ask this question? Of course, you're going to ask the question to the verb. The ship sailed northward. What is the verb here? Sail. Where did the ship sail? Northwards. So this northwards becomes your adverb of place. Stand here. Where to stand? Here. Here becomes your adverb of place. It rains there every day. Where it rains, there it rains. The cat crept upstairs. Where did the cat crept? Upstairs. Flowers are blooming everywhere in the spring season. Where are the flowers blooming? They are blooming everywhere. So here, northwards, here, there, upstairs, everywhere are adverb of place. Now, if you have noticed in all these sentences, most of the sentences I'll tell you are usually adverb of place are usually placed after the verb. If you see in the first sentence, sailed is a verb, adverb of place after it. Stand is a verb, adverb of place here after it. Rains is a verb, adverb of place there after it. Crept is a verb, adverb of place after it. Blooming is a verb, everywhere is adverb of place. So adverb of place are usually placed after the verb. And one more thing here I would like to tell you is adverbs of place ending with words like northward, wards, or ways express the movement in a particular direction like backwards, northwards, downwards, inwards, outward, westward, or even like the adding ways, ways is sideways. I hope you all have got about adverb of place and adverb of manner. Next video we'll learn the remaining three types of adverbs, that is adverb of frequency, adverb of degree and adverb of time.